Day 5 of building German sentences without memorizing rules. Today, we break the law. We are unlocking the handcuffs on position 2. For 4 days, I told you the action verb is strictly imprisoned in position 2. That is 100% true for statements. But the second you want to ask a question, the entire engine shifts gears. To form a basic yes or no question in German, the verb breaks its handcuffs, charges to the absolute front of the line, and takes over slot 1. The subject instantly drops to slot 2. You don't need to add a random helper word like do. Just invert it. Statement: Du lernst Deutsch. Question: Lern du Deutsch. Literally, learn you German. Questions start with verbs. Hit follow for day 6, where I show you the lazy one-word shortcuts natives use to answer these without rebuilding the whole sentence.